Welcome, so glad you enrolled. So here's what we got planned. We have lecture videos, practice exercises, and quizzes. The quizzes will be light, so they shouldn't be too difficult, but I want to make sure that if possible for the exercises you post your examples so I can get an idea of how you're doing for that particular section. This will be the best opportunity for you to ask any questions and for me to answer them and possibly even provide you with a solution, whether it be just a simple response back or a video response showing you exactly what to do. So here's the structure of the class. First, we'll be learning my personal workflow techniques to get your musical idea out quickly. Then, we'll learn how to arrange and mix our track. After that, we'll learn how to master using Logic's plugins and then export our song to share with radio, record labels, friends, or to distribute your music online. Keep in mind, this is an introductory course, so I don't want to overwhelm you with all the features and production theory because it will be too much to absorb and apply. The first step is teaching you how to make music with Logic and then go through the motions until it's second nature. If you have any questions about any of the sections, please post your messages and I'll do my best to respond in a timely manner. And one last thing, I also want to make my courses unique, so if you complete this course, there'll be a little surprise for you to download. All right, I think that's enough talking. Let's get to making some music.